AGYA.
AGYA. Abo friend dey betumi ahwe no. Na once wo hia obi a, obetiche wo re. Mechire oba.
Menyini se menye obi o te se chada.
Hey, mini abema. Ba ko eya o. Afa wunnem. Abo friend dey jani ma yenya. Yenya kasa betumi ahwe no.
Se mo amunim se krum ha no. Ana ye me din se me ne mu man be kasa. Ti.
Wo dey jama yenya kasa. Jai ma yen. Yenya e be hwehwe oba de na ma.
So be pempo dia.
As for me, I am tired of your questions. If you can't wait, you can go. I told there are many women in this village. Why don't you go and marry my brother? His wife has just died.
Are you serious? Is it a crime to ask you to marry me after the way you used my body?
You have also used my body, but I have no complaint.
Hey, I'm for.
Are you always going to be angry with the world?
What I do does not concern you. Where is AGYA?
She's at AGYA's house helping to look after the baby.
Hey! As for you two women, I think you are mad. Eh? I nearly got into trouble because of that man, and now you worship the grass he was on. You have now become his wives. I hope you're not warming him in bed too.
Hey! Obrefo, why would we commit such an abomination? It's our duty to help our brother. When he gets a new wife, we won't need to go there.
Who is he going to marry?
What is it to you?
I am only curious.
He has no one in mind.
I see.
Do you have someone in mind?
Me. And I'm in Obama no worry. I've put her. So what a punch corner and from home.
Hey, where are you going? Come back here.
I am sorry if I offended you earlier. But you have to understand that I am under much pressure.
Is that what you've come to tell me?
Listen, I have a plan. I want you to marry my brother, AGYA.
Are you crazy? So you meant it when you said so earlier on?
I say I have a plan.
I don't care about what you have. You are saying the same thing my mother said this evening. Both of you has gone mad.
Oh. Be patient and listen.
You listen. Firstly, I don't love him, and I don't fancy marrying a widower.
I know you love me. But the man is one of the richest in this village.
So what?
After you have married him, we will take care of him, and then I will marry you. Do you know what that means?
But there is one problem. I'm pregnant.
How?
Just ask me that silly question.
Okay, let me think. Yes! It won't change anything. We must get you to marry him quickly. Eh? Tell your mother you want to marry AGYA.
Are you sure you've thought out everything carefully?
Aba. Why you dream ye ewe je ho?
Mami, say na be ma ho atowa, me worry no.
Aha. Anye de be ma me ho ato me. De be ma wo ho ato wo na me hwehwe.
Mami, me si me worry no.
Emmo. Anu anam pe.
Aba.
Anu anam pe.
Aba.
Hey! I don't open here. I don't open here. Man can't just make me fear him. Man can't throw some men if you have a bium. Charm me can't throw. Me barbano. Me no more near J. Our rear. I can make me fear him. Baby, I'll for my no. For her, my name moto and some madame and show. What a switch up. Quoi? Quoi do fu quoi? Quoi do fu quoi? Quoi? Na pa no. Why? I did ya na sana me no kan ya na eh. What? Yanko. I did na yanko. Ai. Aw abba. Yanko.
Ajay, I have found someone for you. Have you forgotten about what we discussed the last time?
Frima, who him say Sunny mano? Many nye ho.
Anyway, there was someone when you home. If you send him, I'm baby home.
Who is this girl?
She's the daughter of Auntie Mabena, or say your widow. I'm sure you remember her.
Yes, I do. But why would she want her daughter to marry me?
Because she knows you are a good man. As for me, I told her you will agree. So the way is open for you to send the diary. In fact, when we get home, I will go straight to see her. And we will arrange for the marriage to be held immediately. I can't wait for another man to grab her.
Hey! Haba! I will be marrying her, not you. So leave me to make my choice.
The choice has already been made.
Frima, if I had been told that we'll be so close again, I would have doubted. But here we are today. I appreciate everything that you and AGYA have done for me.
It's our duty as brother and sister. Our only problem is our breath.
As for him, he's a wild horse. But I keep praying that he will see reason one day. Anyway, pray that your choice of wife for me is a good one, because I am accepting it.
Where dear, here say a twane and Safufoni Tunkun said,
Sir.
When I go to your brother's house, you will not be able to see me.
What do you mean?
Will you come to see me in our bedroom?
You will find a way. Eh?
How? You are not even on good terms with AJ. And you want to enter into his heart?
I say we will find a way. Eh? I must water what I've planted. We will continue to meet at our usual places. Eh?
Okay.
I love you. Love you.
Ago.
Amen.
Madia,
dear, and you pray, AGYA, and you pray, and you pray, my dear, and you pray, my dear, and you pray, yes, AGYA, and you pray, and you pray, my dear, 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 and you pray, yes, AGYA, and you pray, and you pray, and you pray, my dear, 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 and you pray.
Ago.
Amen.
Yedia yebegu na nanu saka kra. Jene aba awari ntine ye wa ha. Otwede amponsa o. Yeah. Asase ya nsa. Yeah. Abosoma motwe ehu asie nyina amagye nsanom. Yeah. Onipa bonefo a eka nanko na ka ajeni aba awade no. Ode ani bone ebedi hu achi ama awade na sadia. Eno no hebusofo. Mo pia no kwa no ha o.
Efe.
Aya jeni maamenom. Ajeni ade a ode ema aba enie.
Efe.
Aba, the busia for dia benio.
Yo, masom, me dase. Aba, PSC, dan wani na me no nkasa. Enne, fi enne ko, wo ya jeyire. Misraw, oba wo kwa ware a, bro nwase. Aware a wo kwei, emme kwamo ne ukru da biara da. Manfa sa bia nya papa. Misraw, emfa hu nkame ukru.
Sa.
Di okru be kasa ye ne yema no. Eje kasa da dama no. Misraw ya hobrase bebre. Oba pa ne ni onim ne kru yem kom.
Correct.
Ni semtimi ka biom o e mai kom ne ukru. Misraw. Afei. Eje e wa dia. Aya wo dia. Enti eje wo baba ko. Aba misraw. Bomodia so be fa kola na ya uba. Bomodia so be krokro kola na se na obe krokro ye fun wa de.
Oba wa no hwa.
So you obi de yi a. E na won so de be ye yi.
Sa.
Na so fa je ba de ne ya uba. E je so ani be tu hu bebre. Fra kola na se me be. Na kola no so nyi so se ma me. Aba misra wo. Anya je nkwan so na wo kwa ware. Wa kuma fo nyina wa sa wo de buo ma o mo kra. Wa se no mo.
Sa.
Abusuafo nyinara. Na so obi sori a wakasa eje yire de. Misro ko ya hobrase. Ahobrase me ye me de waro papa, me de abuwu na de afata se won so ware no. Misro se ko ye sa ahobrase ni bi. Wate? Bra, so mo mame. Afi oreje, aso konofo. Mi amase. Misro bomodia na jitata bra ha mame.
Ebememu. Ebememu.
Sa na ye no se dum mra bia oba wo gya wabusua ene abusua foforo bi ekoka bom na ne sa da no a emia me baba aba sori piesie makoma mu tofe se ma anwo hwe eje ene de mi anu ma wo me baba ene ma to me bu anu ma tete no ene na meyi makomam e de otwe de apon yankopon e de eta ho e de aba maw so oba ene okuno wanu sha
Yo, abane saadi anafe ni je na aba. Ye ba tutu bi na fe, ya je ni.
What are you doing here?
I have come to see you.
This is not the right time, Obrefo.
By for Banoniana.
Can you ever so can't tell me free?
Sister, no way for me. Huh? Does he do it better than me? Anyway, I hope you have not forgotten our deal.
Obrefo, if my husband died.
Ajay.
Say Jay Wua. Who knows Yabaka Seminam Kuno? I didn't have a son in many few.
When the time is right, use this.
You quite. Okay, but you can't stay long.
Hey.
Your mama.
Yeah, Nia.
Papa, back home today.
You any you did much why?
Yeah.
AJ. Who near me? Who near Casapebian control?
Hey. Omi mabusia. You won't really be brave why you biddy. What how ne say?
Yes, sorry, yeah, Juma, yeah. Omum Pedjuma, ya no mumedi.
Kasa. Me nua mamu na gina machi. Efi mra me yire wuye. Omo aso na de wo mame. So be kaya. Ti enyi mu boni aye.
Bomo akwadwefo. Omum Pedjuma. Omo do na aye den. Omo do aye chi.
Next time, I will tell her my mind. For me, I say don't talk. Panasum.
It is time for you two to marry, so that you can stop fighting other women for their husbands.
This has nothing to do with another man.
And more how saying?
Isn't it Taba, Ajay's wife?
What has she done?
She had the audacity not to greet us when we met on the farm. She doesn't know who she's joking with.
Is that all?
She has also squeezed her face.
Ochia, when was a phone a yenukundia?
Sana, can't share.
No great trudo.
Asem. You will see where your food will come from today.
Abba.
Aji.
Abba.
Aji.
What is it?
Aji.
Let me see.
Aji.
Oh, Abba.
Aji.
Abba.
Aji.
Kafra. Abba.
Aji.
Sorry.
Aji.
Kafra, why? Kafra. Oh. Sorry. Abba, are you pregnant? Huh? Abba, when were you going to tell me?
I wanted to wait to a point when it would be impossible to hide.
I have found out. You must stop doing hard work from now onwards. I'm glad. Beck will soon have a brother or a sister. Oh, I'm glad. Thank you very much, Abba. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go inside, man.
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Why didn't you come tonight?
My husband is home.
Say crowd. Now kasa na mi kru. When are you going to finish him off?
Why are you so impatient? I'll do it on the new moon.
That's too far from now.
So you know the time between two new moons? Don't you dare.
It seems you are forgetting why I agreed for you to marry my brother.
Whether I'm married to you or him, I have what I want.
Can't I touch my own child?
Abba!
Yes?